Proven Clubhouse marketing tactics. Now that you are aware how Clubhouse can help you develop your brand, it's time to introduce some marketing tactics that have worked well for others that are members of this audio social community. Remember that Clubhouse is relatively new, so other strategies will emerge that you can monitor on Clubhouse to see how effective they are. A good Clubhouse marketing strategy is one that encourages engagement from your target audience. You need to use marketing tactics that will enable you to really connect with your listeners and set you apart as an expert and a thought leader in your niche. The Clubhouse app provides you with the opportunity to reach out to new audiences and build good relationships. Clubhouse marketing should definitely be part of your brand strategy, and here are some effective tactics that you can use. Join relevant rooms and conversations. You will get nowhere with Clubhouse marketing if you are just a passive listener. The chances are that you will learn a lot from just listening, and we recommend that you do spend some time doing that. But speaking out is the name of the game here. When you speak out, it is the easiest way to gain exposure for your brand and build greater awareness of it. To get the best results from Clubhouse, you need to be as active as possible. Identify rooms that are relevant to your niche and get involved. Take the opportunity to be on the stage and have your say. This doesn't mean that you need to talk for the sake of talking. You need to have something of interest to say and add value to all conversations. When you are just starting out with Clubhouse, we recommend that you avoid the rooms that have thousands of members in them and go for the smaller rooms. You are more likely to be invited to the stage to speak in a smaller room. You will also need to use the raise your hand feature to be noticed by the moderators who will evaluate your potential to add value to the conversation. This is where having a great profile comes into play. Start a niche-related room. Starting your own rooms on Clubhouse will get you the best results. If you have any fears about doing this, then work on overcoming them, as it is so important that you start your own rooms. The audience will instantly perceive you as an authority and an expert when you start your own room. It is really easy to start a new room on Clubhouse. Navigate to your hallway and you will see the Start a Room link at the bottom of the screen. Tap on this and select plus add a topic so that you can give your room a name. There is a 60-character limit here. Now you will need to choose from the following 3 options. 1. Make your room public. Anyone can join your room. 2. Make your room social. Only members that you follow can attend. 3. Make your room closed, where only you can select the members to attend. After this, you're ready to go. We recommend that you promote your new room on your other social profiles. Don't forget to inform people of the subject of your room and the date and time that it will open. Learn how to moderate a room for best results. You will get the best results from Clubhouse marketing by starting your own rooms. It is essential that you know how to moderate your rooms effectively. Follow these tips to make every room that you start a success. Make it very clear what the purpose of your room is. Be prepared to add additional insight to tips, suggestions, and comments made by others. People can join a room at any time, so restate the purpose of your room every 15 minutes or so. When you invite people onto the stage to speak, mention the experience that they have that is relevant to the subject. Keep your room moving at all times. If you have a large room, then get a few more moderators involved to help manage it. Collaborate with influencers. You have the option to co-host a room on Clubhouse. So, you can find experts in your niche that will be willing to co-host a room with you. These experts or influencers will have their own audiences, and this is a great way for you to tap into them. The collaboration on Clubhouse is all about sharing the microphone. Your audience will appreciate this as it is likely to lead to greater diversity of thought. This is a great way to build the necessary traction that you need to succeed in your niche. It is best that you plan a co-hosting event in advance. Talk with the other hosts or hosts and discuss the main talking points. Take the opportunity to see their point of view here. You want your co-hosting event to be a win-win for all involved. Use brand ambassadors. If you are part of a community, you can identify with other people that would be good brand ambassadors on the Clubhouse platform. You need to encourage them to become a member of Clubhouse and participate in relevant rooms and join relevant clubs. The other company members that you invite to join Clubhouse will all need to complete their profiles properly. You can help them to do this with the knowledge that you now have. Make sure that they describe what role they play in your company. You can get a good start here by encouraging your new brand ambassadors to start new rooms around your niche. Explain to them that their talk is not to be over-promotional. Instead, they need to discuss the problems that the target audience has and how they can overcome them. Make announcements on Clubhouse. Tell the Clubhouse community that your company is launching a new product or service. The best way to do this is to start a new room that you dedicate to new announcements. Think of this as a live press release. You want to invite as many of your target audience as you can to your new room announcing your product launch. Use your other social media profiles to spread the word about this. If you have an email list, then send a broadcast email about it. Start a roundtable. You can start roundtable rooms where you will discuss the problems and issues that your target audience is experiencing in your niche and tell them how your brand can help. When a roundtable room is done right, it will attract a large audience who will derive a lot of value from it. Bear in mind here that you mustn't be over-promotional in your roundtable rooms. Clubhouse was not designed for this, and you do not want to get flagged for doing this. The aim of your roundtable needs to be focused on solving problems for your audience. Be clear what you will discuss. Knowing your target audience well is crucial here. You want to create roundtables about problems you know a lot of them are experiencing. Explain how you overcame these problems and talk about the solutions that you have to help your audience do the same. In the next video, we will discuss how to grow your followers on Clubhouse.